Hello, Planet Mashers. It's almost December, so I thought it's time for us to doodle something Christmas and winter related. So, get your pen, get your notebook, and let's get doodling. There are more than 30 tutorials here, and I'll be honest with you, not all the doodles are very Christmas related. Some of them are just winter related, but I still wanted to include them here because I know they will look perfect on your December bullet journal pages. For this tutorial, I went a little bit differently from what I usually do. I start all my doodles with a pencil, but I usually just draft the basic shape from which the doodle will be born, unless of course it's a little bit more difficult doodle and then I add some extra detail on my pencil. And after that I finalize the doodle with the fine liner. And of course all the supplies will be linked in the description, but this time there aren't that many actually because I'm doing black and white tutorial, meaning that all these doodles will stay as you see them right now. I'm not sure how you prefer to see my doodle with me videos, so let me know if you'd like me to add color to my doodles or if it's fine and you just want to see the black outline. So without further ado, I think I will stop talking right now and let you enjoy my doodle with me video. Hope you guys have a wonderful December and let me know which one of these doodles are your favorite. Something else I wanted to mention is that some of these doodles got turned into free printable sticker sheet. You can find it in the resources vault on my blog. All the links will be in the description. what theme should I choose for our next Doodle with me video? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to come and join our free resources vault for printable Christmas stickers and tons of other bullet journal related printables. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!